Reaction 2. Dog ignorance Article 187, quotation, disposition of false labor, article on enterprise gold, silver, or other precious metals for their alloys. So, Article 187 is the function import or dispose of gold, silver, or other precious metals for alloys. Article 187 addresses the provision service or disposal of articles with gold, silver, or other precious metals that are falsely marked regarding their fineness or quality. Next, stipulate that the individual who willingly engage in such purposes when faced with may include imprisonment, prison, frictional or fine ranging from 200 to 1,000 pesos. Ang baligya ay kukuhan for example, baligya ang sabot ang nakamark sa inyong baligya is support 14K. Then, ang sunod sa inyong content sa gold ninyo sunod is 13K hinala ay level at the regulation ensure that merchandise must accurately indicate the price or quality of the metals. For example, gold item stamped with certain current value must closely match the value of a listing. Especially gold will not be listed stamped first below what is indicated. So, for example, gold ng 14K, so dapat dili man sa 13.5K ang sulod o potensi niya sa gold. Kung maubos na is dili na by enforcing these standards, Article 187 aims to protect consumers and promote honesty and transparency in ensuring that buyers receive product that match their level quality. So, kinakalat is kung sa level, mo ang product na nasa sulod or yan ang sell. Article or merchandise involved, those made of gold, silver, other precious metals or rare alloys. Elements that the offender imports, sells, or disposes of any of those articles or merchandise. One is ang one prevents sa people 127. Therefore, the stamp, brand, or mark goods, article, or merchandise will indicate actual honest or quality of sales without or increase. So, number 2 is pinahanglan kuan ang ibutang or contains sa mga product is sale din sa pinahang kuan sa inyong quality dapat kuan palihan o dili. Wala yung isulit sa inyo ang quality sa inyong product sa paper sa paper ng process. Then, the paper that some brands or market to indicate actual limits or quality of paper alloys. Article 188 state and occurring trademarks, trade names, or this mark. So, the penalty of legal trademark is minimum period of 5 days from 500 to 2,000 shall be imposed upon one any person who shall substitute the trade name, trademark of some other manufacturer or dealer or for application thereof or the safety, trademark, or any manufacturer or dealer upon any commerce and shall self-save. So, for example, it is one with the one trade name of trademark then semua ketiga jadi ikaw ang pinuhod na manufacturer therefore kami sa awan article 188 kasi baligya, suwet na moving ang buwan, lang trade name, trademark, ang buwan, content, so, person, own counsels, articles of commerce or vendor display for sale knowing that trade name or trademark must be fraudulently used in such goods as described in the preceding application. So, any person, private or public individual, o kung mga nabigyan o parang trade name or trademark, why
Deliver na ito guys sa tago.
any person who in the set of advertising these services can use or substitute the service mark or another person for durable condition of such mark. So, any person magbaligya or ma-advertise sa ilang product na ang trade name or trademark is dili na i-limitate na o explain na sa uban is available or for any person who doing that purposes for which the trade name, trademark, or service mark of person is to be used when photograph or any way to reproduce the trade name, trademark, or service mark or local reputation or another person or other person including being used the trade name, trademark, or service mark makes also the sale or advertising based services. So, in a person demo of one like friend sa other trade name, trademark ilang suwed. So, dili ko mag-gamit eligible under Article 88 by substituting the trade name or trademark to such other manufacturer or dealer or local indication thereof or the trade name or trademark of the main manufacturer or dealer on health consumer so all of them one manuit or one ay manuit o trademark of the name na wala tayo na bili ikaw ang consumer one is great as a one number two, the selling or the offering or sale of articles of commerce between the region of the market as well. So, kung baligya o one other product lalo na trade or trademark is one in order Brazilian or gamit o smart nila ba? Ito, baliga is high quality ay ibang manufacturer at gamit na one service market ang mga product like using trade name, trademark, or service able another person to implement use name when implement purpose or is used so anak ko mga brand or improvement or using trade name, trademark na malulungit ka bawal siya o wala siya pili na sa pwede mga bili mo is available na Article 189 confirm dictation, fraudulent registration of trade name, trademark, or service mark, fraudulent distribution of narrated for specific the penalty provided in the next preceding article can be imposed upon. So, ang Number one is any person who is unfair computation for the purpose of enslaving or deporting another of his legitimate trade for conflict with criminal authority. Then is God giving them the general parent of the those who of another later, either as the God himself or the prophet of the promises which are continual for the device or words thereof or any other picture of their appearance which would be likely to cause the public or believe that the God over our laws of the character or leader other than the actual employer or leader, they shall give a reference of chance or opportunity to do the same with life purpose. So, it's a illegal yung mga business din ilog na kaupuan, dili ito ang iya sa anak na parang barugan na ikaw ang iya na kuwan siya
Kapuli na mo.
kuwan sa iya mo siya kuwan sa article so, in a person who shall text, apply, annex, or use instruction like any goods or services, or any container or containers for goods or goods destination or written or any for description or information shall sell good or service. Any person apply
Dagdagan na.
utang sa course kaya one lugar o assignment na natin kaya po rin example na nakay Malaysia nakabutang ito is made in Japan kaya ito is made in China Number 3, in a person or license, cause or vigilant presentation or declaration or writing or by other vigilant procure from the addition of office or from any other office which may thereafter be established by law for the purposes the registration of written trademark or service mark or himself as the owner of written trademark or service mark or any person is one false or fraudulent representation or declaration sa ilang one written trademark or service mark Act punished under Article 189. The Act of Offender punished under Article 189. Number 1, presenting his goods, giving them the general appearance of the goods of another material of them, unfair competition, o bigya kawawan, mga product bili mga lahat product o fixing price goods or using force distribution of the gym. So, when it's number two is force dissemination of the gym. So, wala sa sulit sa Pinoy, asa niya kalikan. For example, made in Japan, made in China, number 3, copyright regulate. So, and then office page 3 great name, trademark, our service mark, so consulate, registration. So, ano siya is, really non-principal about use register or proper na